Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're new to the channel, welcome. Glad to have you. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can be friends. We are back at the painting. Just again, playing around. I'm gonna do probably a bigger flip cup painting here soon. Those are the ones I seem to have mastered, and everything else is a hit or miss. So why not just keep having fun? So I'm gonna practice with the bloom technique, because that's what I've got mixed up, and I got my pool out. So we'll just kind of keep doing that. Last video I did, I'm gonna use the same colors, but I'm gonna try a different way. I'll actually try and swipe. I'll put that on first. It's kind of get the canvas covered a bit better. Right off the edge. How's your day going today? Hopefully good. I don't know why there are so many bubbles in this paint. Just need to go over that edge there. Perfect. My day's been not too bad. Weather's warmed up, all the snow's melting. That's always a good thing. Well, for me anyways. I'm not a big snow person. I'm the first to admit it. Just not my thing. Sorry, I stopped talking there for a second because I was watching the paint slowly drip off. Okay, let's add some more paint to the center. That should be good. Again, I'm going to practice kind of swiping. So color-wise, same as my last painting. Got emerald. This one's emerald. Bubbles in it. And we've got, oh, what was the blue called? Sapphire blue. And then we've got, this one had a weird name as well. Dual Violet Brass. So it's got a brass sheen to it. Very pretty. Okay, and then for cell activator, we're gonna go with the emerald green. Or do you think that will be too green? I can go with the brilliant blue, excuse me, or white. Maybe we'll do the brilliant. No, I want to do the green. That's what was in my head, so that's what we got to do. Let's get some more in there. Okay, I might even put some on the back side of my little thingy. You like my technical terms? My thingy. Okay. Go about halfway, about there, and pull down. Probably had too much on that one. But getting some lacing. Woohoo! Lacing, hello. I really like this emerald green. We're gonna have to go over a little bit. Up there. Sorry, I keep kind of having the sniffles. I'm a little chilly. Oh, I really stretched that one out. Oops. Remember, take my time doing this. Always want to rush things. I am bad for that. We'll say this is for St. Patty's Day. Okay, let's do the other side. Just touching. There, that one was better, I must say. I'm probably not pushing as hard as I should be. But kind of happens sometimes. Like, I'm getting some of the purple and the blue to show through. But it's seeming to be not coming down as far as I would want. Ooh, got some pretty ones in there. Just got to get that edge there. And then a little bit of stretching out. And then this one will be done. I think I was pressing too hard. Very green. Very green. Should I go over it with some blue? What do you think? Kind of feel like I have to. It's too green. You were probably saying that. Going, don't use green, it will be too green. Let's see what happens if I go over with the blue. Try not to drip it everywhere. I think the blue's gonna look better. I was just really worried about the purple. I know I blotched it there. I'm not surprised. We should get some interesting sections, getting paint all over my arm, interesting sections of like a turquoise. There, that one was good. That was a good one. Very pretty. Nice sellage happening. Loving it. Now, before I go too much further, I do want to fix in there. It's ugly. We got to fix it. We don't want ugly parts, right? Sorry, I'm trying to clean the back of this thing, my thingy. Yeah, if you haven't already, invest in a kiddie pool and don't whack your thing into the paint like I just did. Jeez, can't take me anywhere. I'll fix it. Everything's fixable, right? Fix it like that. Okay. Yeah, some of the cells are getting really big. But we're going over them. Yeah, this would be easier if I had a little plate that I could dip my palette knife, there's the word, the palette knife into. Do have a few bubbles. Not happy, but I have been making a mess, so it's understandable. Ooh, lots of bubbles on that one. I think I need to pop some of those. Wowzers. Should give us interesting cells. Okay, one more swipe. I think I need a little bit more. There we go. Okay. It's definitely interesting looking. Not sure if I like it. Lots of bubbles. Not sure if there's any point tilting it because it already seems very overstretched. What do you think? Or spin it out? Yeah, let's spin it out. See what happens. Oh, interesting. That corner is bare. That corner's still bare. That one needs a little bit more. That one a little bit more. That one is covered. Give it a good spin. A little bit more on that corner. Can I do it myself? I might be able to do it myself and not make a huge mess of it. There. Well, I must say that looks really neat now. Got another bubble. I probably should have torched before I did this. Yeah, let's give it a quick torch, then one more spin, kind of settle it out. Get rid of any other bubbles. Try not to burn the paint. Okay, one more little spin, just because we popped some bubbles. And then I think that will be it for this one. So I'm looking at the one I just did before this video prior, and same colors, totally different thing that I did. And it's just amazing what you can do with paint. Absolutely amazing. So there, all done. What do you think? I'm actually really starting to like it. I got to get it off this turntable so it stops pulling the paint off and it can dry. So thank you so much for taking the time out of your day. I really appreciate it. And I appreciate you. Till next time.